Hello and welcome to my channel, I Know Gadgets. Today I'm reviewing the Hanboost HBT-471 screwdriver set for DIY enthusiast repair. This versatile screwdriver set is perfect for electronics repair as it helps to avoid damaging delicate items while still providing the precision needed to get the job done. It comes with 40 bits and 4 sockets that cover a wide range of technical and household applications. The flexible extension shaft makes it great for hard-to-reach places, and the 360-degree swivel cap is perfect for rotating with just one hand. The set also comes with a storage box and a magnetic cube magnetizer, which helps to magnetize and demagnetize the screwdriver bits. In addition, the set is available in both matte black and bright white, and the magnetizer comes in flame orange and royal purple. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient toolkit for your DIY projects, this is definitely worth checking out. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this review.